Hey, and welcome back to my channel. If you don't know, my name is Sarah. I'm so glad you're here. I make travel related and lifestyle-ish related content here on YouTube, and it's a good time, so you should subscribe and stick around for the next video. If you don't know, I'm spending my summer in Helena, Montana. I'm back here now, but at the beginning of this video, I'm still back home in California. I went home to visit family and friends, and the first clips you'll see of me flying back and coming here, I'll put those in right now. And then once we get back to Montana, I came home to a house full of people. So timing wise, it worked out perfect. My dad was actually up here for Father's Day, and so the first half of the video that you'll see is him and I. We went down and explored the old part of Helena. We went to Reader's Alley. We went up to Wild Montana's building. We walked around like Historic Downtown, and we got crepes at the creperie, which were really good, by the way. And so you'll see all that now. All right, let's get a first bite reaction.
We're driving down the boulevard, cruising with the windows down, feeling like we're on this town. Your song is on the radio. Found a photograph of us, without cares and worn out clothes. Doesn't seem so long ago. Now I'm just sitting here bored at home, and it really got me thinking of the times we took off on the road. I can't remember where we headed that night. We were cruising around town in Memphis, running the lights. I just know how it felt. I won't forget that. Windows down and open top, all those things we did back then. Way back then. It's funny how times roll by. Is it 12 years?
I will put a bunch of information about downtown Helena down below, and then I also have another video which I will put in the cards here for you, which also explores downtown Helena. We're going to be doing that a whole lot this summer, so I definitely love the old part of downtown. It's absolutely gorgeous. There's a ton of history. If you don't know, Helena actually started out as a mining town, and the main strip that we're walking down is called Chance Gulch. Reader's Alley has a really cool history as well. I'll do another video in the future going really in depth into the history of Helena, but for now we're just doing some walking and exploring, which there's so much to see. It's also the capital of Montana, so you can go take a tour at the Capitol, which is going to be in an upcoming video soon. So I really love this city. I've become quite passionate about it, if you can't tell, and I just think it's such a cool place, and I really love showing people. And yeah, also I will insert some clips here of hiking to the top of Mount Helena, and you can see a view over all of Helena, which is really cool because it's kind of deceiving. It looks like a small city when you're just driving around, but from up above, high up, you can see that it is much larger than you think, and it's a really beautiful view from up there. Mount Helena was really fun to hike. It was also much more difficult than I anticipated. It's definitely doable, 100%, but I had hiked Mount Ascension before, which I definitely thought was easier. Still a beautiful hike, but the view from the top of Mount Helena makes it all worth it. I'll put some pictures in here too. So that was very fun, and I highly recommend that. As you can see from the top of Mount Helena, it's about 1,000-foot elevation gain, so it is a bit of a hike in a pretty short amount of time, and it's very beautiful from the top. I hope that you enjoyed those clips and enjoyed those clips of downtown Helena. And so at this point, like I said, this video was a little bit hectic because I wasn't vlogging every single day, and so it got a little bit like off track. But the day after everybody left, I had a ton of work to catch up on, and so I went to the coffee shop, got some work done, and I have a bunch of coffee shops that I love here in Helena. I'm going to do a whole video just on that. I want to do let me know what you guys would like more, or both. I want to do a video on my favorite coffee shops in Helena and a video of my favorite breweries in Helena. So let me know if you want both or neither, or well, I'm going to make it at least one or both of them. So let me know which one you would like first. So that's super exciting. And then also, after that, I went to a car show because my grandma's husband, Danny, was in it and had his car in it, and so I will insert those clips here of the car show. So last you guys saw, I was at the coffee shop working. It is like 4:15 right now, and I just got to a car show that I'm going to. My grandma's husband, it has one of his cars in the show, so I'm walking over, like way the heck over. I had to park out on the street. I'm going over to see his car right now and enjoy the car show.
Where'd you go? What's the score? Did you find what you were looking for? I never see you anymore. I can't remember what we did that day. We were blowing off steam in Paris, but I wanted to stay 'cause I know how it felt when we raised hell. I won't forget that. But we were clever not to take it too far, though it's hard not getting tempted, calling you up to see how you...
That concludes my video for today, and if you are still here at this point in the video, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. If you're feeling real wild, go ahead and comment. I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me, and I'm super excited for the next one. I have a whole bunch of fun videos coming up for you guys, and I hope you're loving exploring Helena and Montana as much as I am. The next video, I believe, is going to be the Flathead Lake one, so that's a really good time, and I'm excited to share that with you guys. So once again, thank you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!